Hello, just a little different format. I'm not doing any S tiers, no rows, no comparisons. This is my daily rotation, so there is no rows. I just have one row basically, and this is the daily rotation. As you see, my daily rotation. This is what I like to carry at the moment, and these get a lot of playtime and gets carried. And it's usually one of these is in my pocket or easily at arm's reach. So there you go. Let me go through. Here we have the spin designed up by Cami, the fuse. This is definitely one of my faves. Big time grail. Hope Cami and ZZMPC gets to make that one again. And let's go over this way. This is the spin stick. Load up my beads by Whisker Works. This is the totem by Hopper, Nat Foley. There's another favorite old time spinner introduced to me by Gavin. He's always spot on with his editing of his collection. This is the Yolo No Fire. Reminds me of a DuPont lighter with that extra ping. And of course, Mame by LIC Group, Jamie Acker. There's a Goldilocks stainless steel. It has developed into a classic. This has become a favorite. This is a Lautie Choc. Just nothing beats this crisp click. It's super soothing. There's a 2EDC Triangle. Samuel Roscoe. This was his personal carry, which I was lucky enough to acquire from him. He actually gifted it to me, but it's definitely a daily. It's beat up. Oh, there it is. There's the mark. Samuel will remember that. And of course, DIT, Dynamic, Inertia by Gavin, the Nub Kruncher, always in the pocket. Just love this. Just soothing, comforting. Be interesting to see this in titanium or aluminum or some sort of metal. Be awesome one day. But so far, I love this. It's held up. Thank you, Gavin. Finally got myself a scam Torqbar, standard, brass. Got some titanium buttons on there. Classic. Just still honeymooning with that. And here's another spin design by Cam. Thanks, Gavin. W weights. These buttons half and half. One's Cammy's, the other one is Gavin's. And the weights are Gavin's. Super Grail here. And this is a Seki Space Egg 2.0. Just a little clicker. I have it locked right now, otherwise this pops up. Holds my bead or keychain. This gets carried. Good little companion. And since it was round, so I put it in the center. Middle's TwoEDC. Of course, it's top C. This is Turbo Glow. I need to get a show hand. The clicks will be like this. But the top C is great too. There you have it. That is my daily rotation right now. It's one of these, gets grabbed, gets carried. There you go. Thanks for watching.